Walk on the people. So this whole story unraveled like a novel with the Mavado shooting incident. You know what I mean? As you guys see, I upload 2 videos where the 2 videos that I upload was showing the development of the story from the news, TVJ News.
A man suspected of shooting at popular dancehall entertainer Mavado in Cassava Peace in Tantra yesterday is now in police custody. Shortly after he was fired on, Mavado fled to the Constant Spring police station on foot to report the shooting.
Then L.A. Lewis came with a video upload on his page talking about going in Cassava Peace and there is nothing going on and explaining.
Alright, Mavado, look son, another individual kick off. You understand? So it's like you check the Mavado son now. Mavado nevertheless in the vicinity, remember the people. So you know say Mavado are the gully god and Mavado respect large upper Cassava Peace.
In the story, which people we know that L.A. Lewis, we cannot trust his credential. You know what I mean? But with these sources that confirm what he's saying, we're gonna give him the benefit of the doubt in this case, because what he's saying is kind of legitimate, because this has been an ongoing thing from over a while back, where I heard the story that Mavado's son got violated for some reason beyond my understanding. You know what I mean? So I heard that Mavado, as you hear, Mavado went to confront the situation just to put a hand to it before it escalated. And I heard that according to what L.A. Lewis is saying, the guy got defensive and he was a young kid. You know what I mean? Which he wasn't even the attacker. You know what I mean? Is some family relative as what L.A. Lewis is saying. You see me? So it's as I said, what he's saying, there is some legitimacy behind it. L.A. Lewis had a bash foota hype. You know, it say foota hype can't go back at Cassava Peace. You see me? And foota hype, I gonna love this, because foota hype love controversy. You know what I mean? He love jumping at this thing here. So I'm gonna expect foota hype to answer to L.A. Lewis, because this foota hype is an attention seeker. He remind me of Vegas. He have a Vegas character. You know what I mean? He's an attention seeker. That's why I try to disrespect Bounty Killer. So I'm gonna expect him to answer. You know what I mean? Because Elon likes it and L.A. Lewis likes it, and it's gonna give them a 15-minute of fame again, because that's what they run down. They have no real talent. They run down to just get into gossip back and forth. So I'm expecting foota hype to answer. You know what I mean? So even though he's a controversial figure, not everything we can believe, and we're not gonna take his word, we are gonna give him the benefit of the doubt, because as I said, there's some credential to what he's saying in this case. You know what I mean? But it's just kind of interesting, and I'm glad the gully side really still rate Mavado. You know what I mean? Because they're the one who really gave over the guy to the police. You know what I mean? Because as L.A. Lewis said, Gully God have done a lot of contribution to Cassava Peace. You know what I mean? So nobody didn't even have to pop off a piece. You know what I mean? So that was a good thing. You know what I mean? And big up to the Gully God. Big up to the whole Cassava Peace. You know what I mean? Peace. I'm out.
That's Seika. To every block, every street, every gully side, every community, every garrison, no worry. Every change. No, 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 no. They forever and my blood. And even if we left the gully, I'll be going back. Yeah. You see, even if we left the gully, in our way. Don't worry. You see, even if we left the gully, don't worry. Retaliation in our way. Don't worry. Me not gone nowhere. Me not gone. They have found the gully cause I read that from my band. Me not gone nowhere. When we forgone, they have found the gully even to the sun. The gully side means best to me. Fi uplift the gully side, that's part of my destiny. Man deserve more them gills to me. But every knee shall bow and every tongue confess to me. So now from me touch road, I'm on my proud, it all inside becomes a target. Some never know when we are walk, but now I meet a best show, me stress them, see me things I know they want it. One rip the fruit, I never plant it.